Think about the toll of keeping an animal in your home. We drain our bank accounts on vet bills, lose furniture to scratches and hair, and eventually face the crushing grief that comes with their short lifespans. Despite those costs, 68% of households in the United States currently keep at least one pet. Living with an animal triggers a cascade of specific physiological changes that alter the way our bodies manage stress and aging. The data on human longevity is striking. People who share their lives with a dog show a 24% reduced risk of death from any cause compared to those who live without one. When scientists look at the physical brains of pet owners, they find fewer signs of physical aging, with some appearing up to 15 years younger than the brains of non-pet owners. Human-animal cohabitation functions as a highly effective mutual survival mechanism. Making direct eye contact with a pet triggers an immediate, involuntary chemical shift inside the human brain. Within moments, the brain is flooded with oxytocin, the neurochemical responsible for feelings of trust, safety, and social connection. As oxytocin levels rise, the brain actively clears out cortisol, the hormone that generates physical tension and acute anxiety. Interacting with a pet functions as a fast-acting, dual-purpose intervention. It stimulates joy while simultaneously suppressing stress. Different species provide specialized physiological benefits. Dogs act as cardiovascular and social activators, addressing the modern problem of physical lethargy. This chart tracking weekly physical activity shows dog owners consistently surging past the recommended 150-minute threshold of moderate exercise, leaving non-owners behind. This forced daily habituation lowers resting heart rates and reduces the statistical risk of heart disease. Cats serve as tools for mental grounding. They offer a form of passive mindfulness that doesn't require physical exertion. The feline purr is a mechanical vibration. When a cat purrs, those low-frequency waves trigger the release of endorphins in the human brain. These vibrations physically lower human blood pressure and can even block pain signals from reaching the nervous system. Aquatic life offers a different physiological cue. The rhythmic movement of swimming fish acts as a visual metronome, forcing a lower heart rate and reducing anxiety. For those in high-stress, limited-space environments, small mammals and exotic pets provide tactile stimulation and the cognitive benefits of a fixed care routine. Modern humans utilize these various species to counteract the specific stressors and health risks of a sedentary lifestyle. These biological effects are powerful enough to be deployed in clinical environments to treat severe psychological conditions. Psychiatric service dogs help veterans manage PTSD flashbacks, while guinea pigs are used in therapy to reduce anxiety and improve social engagement for children with autism. In aging populations, therapy animals reduce the distress and social isolation often associated with Alzheimer's and dementia. However, simply owning an animal is not a guarantee of these neurological results. The physiological benefits depend on active, daily engagement, such as the walking, the routine feeding, and the consistent observation. While we often view ourselves as the primary caretakers, it is the animals that are actively regulating and repairing our biological systems.